Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Health Savvy. Today we are talking about something that seems like a good problem: losing weight without trying. But what if that weight loss is actually a warning sign of diabetes? Let's break it down. When your body is not producing enough insulin or can't use it properly, the sugar in your blood can't enter your cells. So instead of burning sugar for energy, your body starts breaking down fat and muscles. That is where the weight loss comes in. Fast, unplanned, and often unnoticed until clothes feel looser or the scale drops. Now, here's what's wild. This is not just about weight loss. You might also feel tired all the time, irritable or moody, or even have blurry vision. All of this together are classic signs that your body is struggling with uncontrolled blood sugar. You might also notice you are drinking more water and using the bathroom a lot. When all those things are happening together, it's not a coincidence. It is your body shouting for help. I remember a patient who came in for a regular checkup. He thought the weight loss was from cutting carbs. Turns out his A1C was sky high. He had no idea he was diabetic. That's how silent it can be. So if you are noticing this in yourself or someone you love, here's what you can do. Write down your symptoms and how long they have been happening. Check your blood sugar with a glucometer if you have one. Ask your doctor for a A1C test. Start being mindful of your carb intake and processed sugar. And stay active. Even walking 20 minutes a day can help. Early action is powerful. It can reverse prediabetes and help manage type 2 diabetes before it gets worse. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who might be ignoring the signs, and hit that subscribe button for more real health talk that actually helps. Bye-bye.